Yeah, there's the Rainforest Cafe at the Lava Lounge. That could be fun. All right, we got the Lego store. Let's check out these Legos before we walk in. These are made entirely of Legos.
Feel good?
There's Legos all over the floor. Do not step on Legos barefoot. Makes a great security system though. You just sprinkle some throughout your house late at night. Robbers come in, they can't walk. This is great for Star Wars. Look at these. These are all made from Legos. Let's head in. Wow, that's incredible.
Very, very cool art pieces of Legos.
The Lego store looks to be very crowded. And it's probably like this every day. This is amazing. Thanks. All right, where should we go now?
I guess Coca-Cola.
Okay.
Where's that?
Let's just kind of walk as we go. Oh, let's go look at the directory. Yeah. They've got an interactive directory. That's so cool. You type in what you're looking for. Here's a map. So he types in the Coca-Cola store.
Oh, wow, it's far.
And that shows where we are and where we have to go. It's at the opposite end. Oh my gosh. That's gonna be a long walk. Oh, wow. Maybe we'll go there at the end.
Maybe we should go to either the T-Rex or the Rainforest. Ooh, look at the fire going out of that.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. You just don't see that every day at your restaurant. Whoa. Wow. Wow, it's gonna erupt all over. That's the Rainforest Cafe. Oh my gosh. Maybe we should go eat there. Now we're coming up on the World of Disney. And we're actually gonna go in and take you inside and show you around. And it's looking like rain. But hopefully if it starts pouring rain, it only lasts for a minute. All right, here we go. Wow, this store is cool. This is huge. Curious what some of these are selling for? $26.99. $44.99. We got mini, lots of minis. Donald, and there's on and on and on, all the way around. I've lost my family. Let's see where they went. Got a, gosh, Christmas section. There's a whole Christmas store here. I have no idea where my family went. Got a Marvel section. Star Wars. Hey, how much is this? $34.99. I see the family. Get your own lightsaber. It goes everywhere. Hey, these are nice mugs. 50 bucks. I made it up. What you looking at? Oh, that's cool. Especially when it's about to start raining. It's a little get darker out. A 2025 Walt Disney World shirt. How much is this one?
$70.
Oh, not bad. $34.99. I mean, considering we're at Disney.
It's cheaper than the cup.
It's cheaper than the cup. Oh gosh, that's awesome. Towels, mugs, of every mug I think you've ever wanted is here. And there's ornaments. Ornaments are kind of scattered out throughout in the store. $26.99 for that one. We've made it to the bag section. There's a department of backpacks and bags and luggage. You can get your own Disney luggage. That's crazy. In all different sizes. Like, not just for kids. Like, that's adult sizes to put on a plane. Lots of backpacks. Disney purses. It's on and on and on. I tell you, if this store doesn't have it, you probably don't need it. So now we're in a whole nother part of the store. We're in the same store. Still haven't left. And they've got vintage t-shirts. Lots of them. This is kind of what we've been kind of hoping to find. So they're $25 each when you buy two. And there's lots. The whole back wall. There's all around this. There's all around this. So we're getting some shirts. Here's what these look like. You know, some of these are old famous shirts. One of them, I like this one. I think it's really cool. Looks like this. It's just an old vintage look. We just left. And we're just gonna walk around, kind of show you some places all around here. Here's the Ghirardelli, it's hard to say that, chocolate store. The world's famous hot fudge sundaes are in there. We're trying to think of a place to go eat. Over there is the Rainforest Cafe. That's an option. There's also a T-Rex store. But just in case it starts raining really hard soon, we kind of want to know where we're going to be. There are so many places to get snacks, and then just big restaurants. Hey, there's the PhotoPass place. Go check all the pictures that their professional photographers have been taking of you. Bubble waffles. And it's another Disney store. Oh my gosh. Yeah, turn away. We're gonna keep walking.
Whoa, look at this lady sculpture. We're going to change the room right now.
Oh, this is cool.
So we're going to...
Oh, it's a model of the Disney Vacation Club. Is that out of Legos?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. So this is the Disney Riviera Resort. That is just awesome. Oh my gosh. You can go all the way around the resort. That's a lot of Legos. We've lost the family. They sat down.
Are we headed over to the food place?
What?
Are we headed over to that food place?
I think we've about had it. More Disney shirts at Trends. Wow. Now that's a sandwich place. All right, this is the beginning. Little splash area for kids. And so from here, we're gonna just start walking back. At some point, I think we're gonna eat. So we may end up going over that direction. We gotta find out if we're gonna eat at the Rainforest Cafe, which you just saw. It's back there with that volcano. Or we're gonna go eat at the T-Rex place. They both look really neat. We don't have restaurants like that at home in Kansas City, so we gotta figure out what we're gonna do. Pin trading. It's a store of just Disney pins. And then here's a store for left-handed people. How fun is that? It is a Christmas store. Oh my gosh. I've lost the family. They're not even with me. Oh my gosh. I gotta go back and find the family. I thought they were behind me. See where they went. Maybe they went back this other way. Let's try that. I see them. They took the fast way. They're standing up there waiting to get in. This is the check-in desk. All right, we're on the waiting list. It's an hour, so let's go inside Goofy's Candy.
Oh, look at that elevator.
Oh, it feels good in here. I think that man's given up to... Oh, good. Drinks. Oh, look at the candy. Chocolate. Oh, that looks good. They've made a giant Mickey Mouse. Wow, a monorail car full of candy? No, it's empty. You could put your own candy in it. All right, let's head over to the Christmas store. There are people buying Legos all over. All right. It's June. Let's go in the Christmas store. Everything in here is an ornament. Wow, have you ever seen anything like it? By categories. How much are some of these? These are all $26.99. $26.99 for all of those. This looks like the breakable section. We typically only buy things plastic, especially if it's going to be a very expensive ornament. Gosh, look at some of these. Out of curiosity, If you break it, you buy it. $30. Huh, Haunted Mansion ornaments. Wow, that's pretty cool. Lots of Haunted Mansion ornaments. It's a whole department, a section of Haunted Mansion. Our table is ready and we are heading in. Oh wow, it smells so good. Yeah, this place is cool looking. Wow. This is really cool.
A very, very fun dinner. Yeah, wow. I really love that watercolor here too.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello! So we're both your Shakari guys this afternoon. He is showing me the ropes, but you have nothing to worry about, all right? Are we Landry Salon Club members? Are we doing Disney dining this weekend?
And we got 2 of our mojitos.
Those are cool glasses.
We get to keep all the cups.
Huh, nice. Yeah, that's cool. So these glasses are really cool. They shine a Rainforest Cafe on the ground, on the table. Yeah, that's really cool. And you get to take them home. I'm going to film Luke talking about our food.
Lots of very exciting stuff going on.
And it does look really fancy.
Very, very low on battery, so I don't really know how much I'm going to fill. Really everything else. We do have 2 stores we still want to check out. So I guess we'll just see how.
It's time for the elephant to come through. That was a delicious meal, and now we are just gonna walk. Just kind of do a walking tour all around Disney Springs. So there's a couple ways to get out of where we are right here. We came from way over there, but there's also this bridge that just kind of crosses this part of the water that you kind of saw in the background earlier. So over there is where the Lego store is. And that big Disney store. There's live entertainment going on over there on that stage.
Incredible experience. Very, very.
It's a really nice restaurant, the Paddlefish. And the boathouse is over there. Well, it's nice, it never rained. It's pretty much perfect weather. Here's that T-Rex store or restaurant, T-Rex restaurant.
Look, 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 look.
I got it in my bath on my phone.
That's the other place we were thinking of going to eat. Rainforest Cafe was awesome though. Highly recommend that. It's an experience.
Because this does the
This area is huge. We could go up that way. We could go off to the right. I guess we'll go over here to the right. There's a lot of people down here at the boathouse. And this bakery looks popular. Shoes, lots of shoes. Coffee and tea. They have Star Wars Droids Trio coffee. Boathouse looks very popular. So back here, it's a lot of bars, restaurants, places to get snacks. Up at the front, where we originally had come from, are just a lot of stores to buy clothes. There's a lot of trendy stores up there on the other side of the Lego store. It's another huge bar. Over here's this huge balloon. It goes up. Usually it's up and you can see it off in the distance. Go in there and take a peek at that. You can pay a little money and they'll take you up. Get a nice view looking around. Got all kinds of little stores here. Big happy hour at Paradiso 37. That looks nice. And that looks like another really nice restaurant. And a pizza place. Look at the crowd over there. Whoa, must be, I don't know what that would be. Is that getting ready for fireworks? All the way around the edge of the water? Look at the crowd. Yeah, we got AMC Theater down there. I hope that wasn't thunder. Probably don't want to be going up in that hot air balloon in a lightning storm. Here's another Starbucks. Hey, this looks cool. Look at this store. That looks pretty cool. And that's followed up with the Marvel store.
What is that?
I hope that's not thunder. Now that's a cool store. Everything is Marvel. A lot of Captain America right there. Yeah, it's starting to look a little dark way back there. The cookie bar And again, we can go 2 different directions. Oh, they've got fancy burgers. So the question, where do we go? We can go up in there, but I think we're gonna go to the right. And we got an M&M store. Welcome to M&M's. We got to go in here and just look around. Everybody watching this wants to see what is inside the M&M store. Oh my gosh, it smells good in here. Pure chocolate.
I mean, but it's more, I feel like it's nicer than at the store.
So we've been to the one in New York in Times Square. You just go back there. My gosh, it's packed in here. Oh my gosh, you can't even get back in there. But you can go back there and just buy whichever flavor you want. Buy it by the pound, fill up bags, all the different colors. How are you?
I'm doing good. How y'all doing?
Good?
Give me the old one.
All right, so that is the M&M store. And it goes way over there. The line forms there. And that's a long line. That whole side of the store is to hold the line to check out. The House of Blues. It's another restaurant. Wow, look at the line to get in the House of Blues. So this is a club that's about to open with a very long line. And the line is still going on. So this is the Cirque du Soleil. It's what this giant building is straight ahead. This is something we would love to do, but we're not gonna have time on this trip. Too many other things to do at Epcot, Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom. But this takes us to the other end of Disney Springs. So now we're gonna go back. We're at the other end. And we need to go back where the Coca-Cola store is, because that's where we're gonna get the buses to get back to the different resorts. So we're staying at the Polynesian this time. We've stayed at quite a few different resorts, Disney resorts. So we're gonna walk through, get back to where we need to exit. Yeah, that donut place is cool. In the mood for donuts? Don't miss that place. So here at the Candy Cauldron, they make candy.
So those are probably all apples. Yeah, those are all apples. Look at that guy. He went really trying to get.
That's pretty cool.
Wow. It's a good thing to watch people make some food.
This is the Star Wars Galaxy Outpost, and it's important to go in here. You need to see it. By the way, please subscribe.
Get some expensive ass.
Huh, little figurines. Gonna have a duel in here with some lightsabers. Anything Star Wars related, it's in this store. Yep, check it out. See, I knew it would start. It's too tempting. And down here you have customized lightsabers. How are you?
Unfortunately not. At least I'll honestly.
Yeah, this is cool. So we're still walking. Star Wars was fun. We've gone on down a ways again. We're making it over here to the Coca-Cola store. Yeah, that smells really good. And Planet Hollywood. Look, there's a Lego purchase. There's a Lego purchase. See some yellow there. There's a Lego purchase back there.
No.
They're everywhere. Oh, there's the front of AMC to go see movies.
Oh, it's a dine-in.
Dine-in theaters. Wow, you can go sit and eat in there while you watch the movie. All right, all of you watching, you want to go inside the Coca-Cola store? Let's do it.
Doesn't kind of do it on its own.
Huh, those are neat mugs in the shape of a can. Got all kinds of clothes, fuzzy shorts, fizzing balls, bubbles. Yeah, it's a Coca-Cola store. Sweats. Wow. Earrings, bracelets. It's all Coke. Ornaments.
It might run a little bit later tonight, can't guarantee it, but we're gonna go find our bus.
Oh, look at all the people up on the
I'll
rooftop.
probably just, at this point, I'll probably just really film once we get back.
Up there hanging out, probably drinking Coke.
All right, I know I just said I'll see you guys when we get to the buses, but I really want to just kind of talk about this. This room is beautiful. Kind of looks like a train station in the way, which is really, really cool. A really, really nice design. Really like that chandelier. But we got some major retail stores in here, like Lululemon over there, and a lot of other great stuff. Looks like we still have a long ways to go before we get to the bus, but might film here and there. All right, we got some even more major retailers over here. Major names. Very fancy stuff. Really, really fancy stores up there. But I will say, my phone is on 1%, and any second, this video will cut very quickly. So I think at this point, I'm just gonna do a video when we get back to the Polynesian.
Oh, this is the end. That's where that's